Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car batteries on Amazon. Many consider a vehicle's engine to be its beating heart, but without a working car battery, you're not going anywhere. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Optima 3478 Red Top. The Optima Red Top battery should have most motorists covered, as it boasts 800 cold cranking amps, CCA, which is relatively high, and the reserve capacity of 100 minutes will keep you covered in the event of an emergency. It's suitable for trucks, SUVs, and cars. This is one of the most durable batteries on the market, as it's up to 15 times more resistant to vibration than other models. It's also completely spill-proof, meaning you can mount it in practically any position. Even though you can place it where you please, you'll still need to do a fit check to see if your engine bay can accommodate it. This maintenance-free model can last up to twice as long as other batteries on the market. What we like about it: 800 CCA, 100-minute reserve capacity, spill-proof design, vibration resistant. What we don't like about it: on the higher end of the price spectrum. Number 2. Delco Gold 94R AM. If you're looking for the life expectancy an AM battery offers without the high price tag, consider the Delco Gold 94R AM. This model produces 850 CCA, which is excellent, especially when you consider its low price tag. And since this is a silver calcium AM battery, it has a long life cycle and performs particularly well at high temperatures. The maintenance-free battery features a leak-proof pressurized valve system, which helps to prevent acid from leaking and damaging the terminals, too. This model uses high-density negative paste, which increases performance and battery life. It's a 94R group size battery, meaning it could be too long for your battery compartment, so check this before buying. It measures 12.4 by 6.97.5 inches and is one of the heaviest models on this list, weighing 51.6 pounds. What we like about it: good value AM battery, 850 CCA, high-density negative paste. What we don't like about it: could be too large for some vehicles. Number 3. Optima Batteries D3478 Yellow Top. If your vehicle has electronics that draw a lot of power when you start up, the Optima Batteries D3478 Yellow Top could be what you need. This isn't an out-and-out deep cycle battery, as those are mainly used for boats and RVs, but this is a true dual-purpose model, which is perfect for cars and trucks that have a high electrical load. It produces 750 CCA and a 120-minute reserve capacity, and this model will run through over 300 discharge-recharge cycles before you need to replace it. It features dual SAEGM posts, but if you need a different type of terminal, you should check out one of the other models from the Yellow Top range. Like all Optima batteries, this model has a spill-proof design and can be mounted in almost any position. What we like about it: great for vehicles with a high electrical load. 750 CCA, 120-minute reserve capacity, lasts over 300 cycles. What we don't like about it: not the best option for vehicles without a high electrical load. Slightly expensive. Number 4. XS Power. Anyone running a high-watt speaker system should consider the XS Power D3400, as this AM battery produces 1000 California, which is higher than any other model on our list. It also has the joint highest reserve capacity on the list at 135 minutes, so this is the best option for anyone who needs to run a high electrical load while their engine is idling or even turned off. And its 3300 maximum amp output means there aren't many situations that'll put this model through its paces. What we like about it: 1000 California output, maximum output of 3300 amps, 135-minute reserve. What we don't like about it: one of the most expensive batteries on the market. Number 5. Odyssey Group 34. There aren't many vehicles that will come close to testing the Odyssey Group 34 battery. This lead-acid AM battery uses virgin lead, unlike the lead alloy found in most batteries, meaning it can pack in more plates. And since there's more plate surface area, this battery produces more power than similarly sized batteries with 850 cca and 1250 hot cranking amps (HCA) on tap. Odyssey is confident in its product and offers a limited 4-year replacement warranty. What we like about it: 850 cca, 135-minute reserve capacity, battery. Uses virgin lead. What we don't like about it: one of the priciest batteries producing under 1000 cca on the market. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.